In this video, I'll detail how to disable auto lock when screen turned off on Samsung Galaxy device. So if each time your Samsung phone screen turns off, your Samsung phone screen automatically locks itself and prompts you to type in your password, pin, or pattern, then here I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this once and for all. So if you're not on this video, you found this video fun informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable auto lock when Samsung phone screen turned off, what you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, and on the settings space, scroll down, locate lock screen and HOD. Then once selected, come down here and click on secure lock settings. Type in your Samsung phone pin. If you're using pin to lock your Samsung phone, and if you're using password, type in the password or pattern, go ahead and draw the pattern and then click on continue. Once you click on that, locate auto lock when screen turns off. Then here you discover that there's no way to disable or turn off auto lock when screen turns off on Samsung phone completely. However, you can disable this by choosing 30 minutes. So scroll down and select 30 minutes. This is going to make your Samsung phone remain active and unlocked for at least 30 minutes. So instead of your Samsung phone to lock immediately or after 5 seconds, like this, if you select 5 seconds, your Samsung phone screen is going to lock after 5 seconds, except we are using extend unlock in trusted places or when you're using trusted devices on your Samsung Galaxy device. So just go ahead, click on it and then select 30 minutes. So that's it. So this is going to make your Samsung phone screen remain active for at least 30 minutes on your device. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.